Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making Louisiana red beans and rice. I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large Dutch oven or a heavy pot. Over medium heat, you're going to add your sausage. And you're going to cook until brown on both sides. Once your sausage is done, you're going to remove them from the pot and set them aside. You're going to add butter to the pot and melt. Then you're going to stir in your onions and cook over medium heat for 3 minutes. Then you're going to add your celery and your bell pepper and cook for 4 minutes. You can add a little bit of butter if needed. Then you're going to stir in your garlic and you're going to cook that for 15 seconds. Then we're going to season with salt, oregano, thyme, paprika, black pepper. We're going to cook that for 1 more minute. Then you want to pour in your vegetable broth and stir. Then we will add our sausage also. We're going to move on to our beans that have been soaked and rinsed, and we're going to add the beans back to the pot. and then you will add your bay leaves. Then you want to increase your heat to high or bring mixture to a boil. Then you want to reduce heat to low and cover and simmer for 1.5 hours to 2 hours or until your beans are soft.